how to enable or disable the secure folder to reset with Samsung account on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and tap on more security settings. In here, tap on secure folder. Then tap on lock type. Next, enter your PIN, password, or a pattern lock. Then we go down to the last option and tap on reset with Samsung account. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. If you switch it off, it said if this option is turned off, you can't reset your lock when you forget how to unlock the secure folder. Tap on OK to proceed. So here I will switch it on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.